Hi, everybody. My name is Savannah Hill, and I am from Colorado. I am currently the reading interventionist at an elementary school called Hoff, and it is in Keensburg, Colorado. And Keensburg is about 40 miles east of Denver. Small little town, only 2 rounds per each class, and our max class size is about 27. So it's a very nice small school and a very tight community. This is my first year being the reading interventionist. Prior to that, I taught third grade for 3 years at the same school. My role as the reading interventionist is to work with small groups of students from kindergarten through fifth grade on reading essentials and the foundational reading skills. But this year, I am also getting to work with enrichment courses for kids in third through fifth grades. So it's really nice. I get to work with the low readers, but I also get to work with the high kids and the GT kids on really bumping up their education. So it's a good mix for me. This is my fourth course in the master's program. And I would say so far, this is the course that I'm the most nervous about. And I think that's because I don't really know a lot about hypertext and hypermedia. At least I don't think I know a lot about it. Maybe I'll be surprised and know more than I think I do. But as far as I understand it, hypertext is really the text on a page, and it's dealing with links and hyperlinks within the page and how you can get from one text to another text within the same page using a link. And then hypermedia, my best guess at it is kind of an extension to hypertext. It's similar, including links and hyperlinks, but it's dealing more with pictures and audio and video and how the students can interact with that, or even just a user, not necessarily a student. I would say that I'm really excited about this course and learning about hypertext and hypermedia and how I can best use it for my students. I think especially with everything that's going on with this virus, this course is going to be very beneficial, especially because we actually just found out yesterday that our district, along with every district in Colorado, is forced to be closed until at least April 17th. So we have a full month of switching to all online learning. Our school is actually starting in 2 weeks because next week is our scheduled spring break. So I think this course, along with the other 3 courses I've had, will be very beneficial in moving to e-learning for my students and being able to support and help the other teachers in creating online learning for their classes as well. So I look forward to working with all of you and learning from you and getting a better understanding of hypertext and hypermedia. Thanks, everybody.